Have you seen the Home Business Academy marketing system? Hi everybody, Joe Barkley here from joebarkley.com. Coming to you again from our home on beautiful Loon Lake in the Adirondacks of northern New York. And in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed look at the Home Business Academy marketing system, help you understand why it's so effective, and show you how to get your own copy of it too. And right up front, I want to be sure you understand that with our system, you do not need to do any difficult, time-consuming, or techie stuff. All of that is done for you for free. This really is simple. Now anyone, even without previous experience, can have the online success they have been dreaming of. The marketing system starts with what we call the landing page, and there are several to choose from. They're also called lead capture pages. What makes this so simple is that all you do is promote the landing page. The system takes it from there. A landing page is a one-page website designed to do just one thing: get a prospect to enter their name and email address and request more information. I've been using landing pages since the beginning of the internet, and this one really got my attention. An unusually high percentage of people who see it fill out the form and leave their contact information. You may have heard the term. We call it opting in. Part of what makes it work so well is the free ebook written by my buddy Nick. This 30-minute workday escape plan is a free gift just for opting in. I've had great success promoting this free ebook to get prospects to the landing page. We call this a lead magnet. And just so you know, the ebook is real value. It's 180 pages long, and as a Home Business Academy member, you will have your own copy of the ebook to give away with a link to your website embedded in it to promote just like I do. This is just the beginning of the Home Business Academy marketing system. As soon as a prospect fills out the landing page form, their information is added to your autoresponder for automated follow-up. The autoresponder is just a tool that sends out follow-up emails to your list. I'll be doing a video on autoresponders, including the best ones to get for free, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. At the same time a prospect opts in, they're immediately redirected to this page. This is called a bridge page. This is where your prospect can download the free ebook, again with your website link in it, as well as be introduced to the Home Business Academy opportunity. The short video on this page explains how you can build a lucrative business just by giving away copies of the ebook, just like I do, and it pre-sells your prospect on our opportunity. I want you to watch this video. It's powerful. When we get done, I will give you a link to get your own copy of the ebook, as well as access everything else. This bridge page introduces our $25 all-in-one digital business and automatically redirects your prospect to what we call the sales page. This page does the rest. It does all the explaining. It does the selling. The sales page outlines everything you get for just $25. I tell people the Home Business Academy may be the best $25 you ever spend. When you review this page, I'm sure you will agree. It explains exactly why our new business model is the fastest, simplest, least expensive way to step into an immediately profitable business online, plus enjoy residual income too, all for just $25. And just so you know, the Home Business Academy is far more profitable than most affiliate marketing opportunities. They pay 80% commissions, plus there's monthly recurring income too. Best of all, you can see results fast, many times in as little as 24 hours by following the Home Business Academy Quick Start strategy. Plus, when you join the Home Business Academy with me, you will also get my one-on-one mentoring and additional marketing strategies, including our team's proven list building system, and yes, it's free too. To learn more and get started on your own wealth creation shortcut, follow the link below. You can read this and many more marketing tips at my blog at joebarkley.com. While you're there, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success by copying what works. And to stay up to date with my latest videos and proven marketing tips, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. I hope this video motivates you to join us and get your own Home Business Academy marketing system. I will be here to help you every step of the way. Again, I'm Joe Barclay. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon.